planning to move to Canada, but you have issue with your age. You believe that Canada might not issue you a visa because of your age, and you are scared to write IELTS, and you are scared if they will accept your experience. Look no further. In today's video, I am bringing you guys a rare opportunity by one of the provinces in Canada that will enable you to move to Canada in 2025 and beyond. And this program does not need any age limit, guys. No matter your age, you are eligible. This program, you does not need an IELTS result. Even if some professions need an IELTS result, it is between band 4 to band 5, and everybody can get this band. With this program, you don't need any prior experience for you to land in Canada, and guess what? You can move to Canada with your family into this program. This program will also lead you to permanent resident, guys. When you are applying directly as a permanent resident without going through the express entry, guys. For this program, the employers do not need LMIA, guys. The employers do not require any LMIA. What is LMIA? Labor Market Impact Assessment. This is a document that Canadian employers need to obtain before they can recruit foreign workers. But under this Atlantic immigration program, the employers do not need these documents to bring you to Canada. How amazing. You see the reason I am encouraging you in today's video to jump on this opportunity, besties. And do you know the most interesting part? This program have a fast-track visa process, guys. If you are coming to Canada under this program, your visa application will be fast-tracked. How amazing, guys. Let's go into this. Welcome back, besties. My name is Adeze. If you are seeing me for the first time, on this channel, I make contents to assist you to migrate to your dream country without breaking the bank. You are highly welcome. And in today's video, we are discussing about Newfoundland and Labrador, guys. This is one of the Atlantic regions in Canada that we don't normally talk about, but this province have a lot of opportunities for migrants in 2025 and above. Recently, they have published a new system, a new expression of interest for all of you that wants to migrate to their province. You have to go and create an expression of interest to declare your interest that you want to move to this province. In this video, I will be detailing to you what this particular program is all about, how it works, the step-by-step application process, how you should stand a chance, what you should do differently to stand a chance to land in Canada in 2025. And I will be showing you everything you need to know in this video. So sit back, relax, and ride with me. Let us do this, besties. Guys, the program we are discussing today is the Newfoundland and Labrador Atlantic Immigration Program. Guys, we know that the Atlantic Immigration Program cuts across 4 different Atlantic provinces and regions in Canada. These are number 1, Nova Scotia, number 2, New Brunswick, number 3, Newfoundland and Labrador, and number 4 is Prince Edward Island. Guys, the Atlantic Immigration Program aims to attract foreign workers, foreign nationals, or international graduates in Canada that wants to live and work in any of these 4 Atlantic provinces, guys. And yes, there is a designated employer, guys. There are employers that have been designated, guys, for this purpose. I am telling you for a fact, because in today's video, I will be showing you the list of over 500 employers designated in Newfoundland and Labrador to recruit you in 2025 to move to their province under this program. So how does this process work? It's just in 3 simple steps. Number 1, you will get a job from any of the designated employers. The second step is that your employer will apply for your endorsement to the province. Once the province issues you your endorsement under AIP, you will take the endorsement letter, go straight to the official government of Canada website, which is the IRCC, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website, When you get there, you apply for your permanent residence, and boom, once approved, you will land in Canada. Now, the next step, let's discuss the documents you need for you to proceed with this application. The first document you need is your job offer letter from your employer. The second document is your international passport. The third document is your endorsement letter. The next document is proof of IELTS if your profession needs that. Not every profession needs this. The next document is proof of fund that you can care for yourself and your family in Canada. The next document is there is a form you will fill online that shows your intention to live in Newfoundland and Labrador. About the categories under this program, number one, for you to be eligible, you must be a skilled worker, and I will show you the employers that are recruiting. Number two, intermediate skilled worker, that is semi-skilled workers, jobs that are not classified as skilled, right? And the next one is international graduates. So if you fall under any of this category, you are eligible. Having said all these things, the next step is to show you on my screen the list of designated employers, over 500 of them, that are willing to recruit you on this program. All you need to do is to create a Canadian style CV, guys. Sell yourself. Create a good cover letter. Sell yourself. That is the key word here. Submit it to these employers via their job portals, and then wait for them to recruit you. I'll be giving you a list of over 500 designated employers that this province, Newfoundland and Labrador, have published on their official website, to bring you to their province via this program, guys. So guys, we are currently on my screen, besties. If you take a look at my screen, you will see that this is from the official government website of Newfoundland and Labrador, guys. And it says Office of Immigration and Multiculturalism, Jobs, Immigration and Growth, guys. So let's come down here and see the Atlantic Immigration Program is a partnership between the government of Canada and the 4 Atlantic provinces. New Brunswick, and that's the 4th province. Now, the Atlantic Immigration Program lets Atlantic employers hire qualified candidates for jobs they haven't been able to fill locally. So these are jobs that they did not see people in Canada to do for them. That's why they are recruiting you from overseas. If you read here, it said candidates can be living abroad. So even if you are outside Canada, you are eligible. Let me highlight this part. I don't want anybody not to understand this. Candidates can be living abroad or living in Canada temporarily, but they must have a job offer from or must be employed by a designated employer before applying, guys. So if you look at my screen, you will see we are still on the same page, and these are designated employers, right? So it says employers who wish to utilize the Atlantic Immigration Program must be designated by the Office of Immigration Multiculturalism by meeting certain requirements, okay? Including a commitment to support newcomers and their families as they integrate into their new life in Atlantic Canada. So guys, we will talk about the support that every employer will give you when you get this opportunity. All right, so let us have a look at the screen, guys. Look at the employers. There are over 500 employers, guys, and each of them will give you their location in Newfoundland, the day they were designated, and the NOC code they are hiring. This will make life easier for you, guys. As you can see on my screen, to make life easier for you, every employer has stated the NOC code they are recruiting for. So if by now you want to move to Canada and you don't know what NOC code means, National Occupation Classification, or you don't know your NOC code, please, this should be your first step in this application. Please locate your NOC code using the NOC website and put in your job description to know your NOC code. It will help you to know the particular employer you should be going to apply to. Let us go back to my screen, besties. So guys, if you look here, you will see employer name, this one, Newfoundland Mary Browns. If you come here, you will see the code they are recruiting for. So when you search anyone you're interested in, you go and search them on Google and apply. When you finish with the first page, you go to the second page, guys. There are a lot of employers, over 500 of them, that are recruiting, guys. This page have over 58 pages, guys. You go to the next one, guys, and then you click and search for the employers. Just go straight to see your code and know the job, the ones that are, recruiting for your code. If you see, this employer was designated in February of 2025. This is a new employer, and they are recruiting teachers, early childhood education teachers. For this particular employer, there are a lot of them. Look at the NOC code. So check the NOC code before you start application. 33102, guys. This is a care home, guys. You can see that's a care code. All right, guys, take a look. Look at this one, Westbury Estate Seniors Living. This is a care home, guys, and this is for healthcare assistants. So besties, I don't know what you are waiting for. There is a lot of opportunities in this province. If I were you, I will start my application immediately as you are hearing my voice. Get started. Go to these employers and start submitting your application. The next thing I want to show you is how to create your expression of interest. Now look at this notice, okay? They said effective from February 19, 2025, the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program and the Atlantic Immigration Program transition to an expression of interest model. So this is new. So prospective applicants must first submit an expression of interest and receive an invitation before proceeding with the application. All right, so guys, this is it. When you come to this page, immigration accelerator, so when you come here, you create a new account. Click on create an account, guys. When you click on create an account, you have to select I am a candidate, and you click on the next button. That is loading. All right, now I am a candidate, or if you are an agent representing a candidate, you choose you are an agent. So here we are the candidate. I will say I am a candidate. You click on the next button. Now you start filling in your address. When you are done, you click on next. Just follow the prompts and you will create an expression of interest. But before coming to create an expression of interest, make sure that you have your job offer letter from a designated employer. I hope this is clear, besties. Under this program, you will receive a lot of settlement services from your employer when you are coming. This can be accommodation. This can be school for your children, housing, and a lot of support. If you look on my screen when I did this video, you will see that they said it that before an employer will be designated, they will prove that they will provide support for settlement for you. So guys, if you live overseas, if you are not in Canada, you are eligible for any of the jobs, healthcare assistants, nurses, doctors. A lot of you are needed, guys. Teachers, mention it. Plumbers, carpenters, a lot of you are needed. Waiters, waitress, guys, go to the list and find employers looking for you, knowing your NOC code to make life easier for you. Get started, guys. So besties, this will bring us to the end of today's opportunity. So if you are watching this video, consider yourself lucky. Remember, with this program, you don't need any age limits, no experience needed, no LMIA from employers. Guys, it is straightforward, it is straight to the point. And these are many reasons why you should jump on this. There is a list of employers that are meant to recruit you. If you still want to move to Canada, I believe this is one of the golden opportunities and one of the easiest pathways to move to this province called Newfoundland and Labrador and start living in Canada with your loved ones. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me that question in the comment section. And if you need a detailed Canadian CV, do not forget to send me an email on the email on the screen, guys. Only email us on the screen. I will also drop a link for Canadian CV in the comment section and in the description box, guys. If you want to book your Canadian CV, we can help you to package a good Canadian CV to what employers are looking for. And guys, I wish you guys the very best of luck. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this opportunity, because we rise by lifting others. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye, besties. Bye.